Hey guys, Vakas here. So if you want to make calls on your iPhone without a SIM card, you've actually got two different options to do it. And honestly, it's super simple. So let me walk you through both. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is open up the settings app. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. Then scroll down and tap on FaceTime. So here's the trick. We can use FaceTime to make calls even without a SIM card or a phone number. But first, you need to tap on You Can Be Reached At and make sure you select an email address if you don't have a phone number. So like here, I'm gonna choose the email address linked to my Apple account, and that's basically it. Now whenever you go into your phone app and open a contact, instead of a normal call, you just press and hold on the phone icon and choose FaceTime audio, and it will call them right through FaceTime. And the cool part, it doesn't have to be video. It can be audio only, just like a regular call. And it uses your Wi-Fi instead of a cell signal. So no SIM needed at all. Alright, now here's the second option. And with this one, you can actually get a completely free phone number depending on which country you're in. So all you're gonna do is head into the App Store, tap on search and search for Google Voice and download the app. Now keep in mind, this one's mainly for people in the United States, but all you need is a Google account. Then you can sync your contacts and set up a phone number. And once you've got that number set up, you'll be able to make and receive calls, text people, all of it through that free number. Pretty handy. So I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over here to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.